Hey you! What's up? Welcome to my channel. Now I'm wearing another hat. Wait, stay right here. I have an important question. You're staying safe, right? Stay home. But if you absolutely have to go out, wear a mask. You don't have one? Let me show you how I made mine. Enjoy! Switching this thing on. Oh, I don't have eyebrows on. Okay. Honestly, you'd think I'm getting better at this. Nope. I'm getting worse. It's better than nothing. So, what we are going to do here is make some room. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Here is what the end result is supposed to be, or something like this. Oh, so this one has a little in it, so you can kind of shape it onto your nose. Alright, so take this and like tuck it in so it doesn't just get damaged. So here we go. What we have here is really ugly. Okay, I don't know what to do. Oh, is this better? I don't know. It's just not pretty yet. It's okay though. So let's try the other side. I'm going to fold it just the way I did with the other one. First, it's a tiny little fold here. The other fold is also going to be pretty small. Of course, these are just the test ones. Okay, so this is a little bit better. Ow. I really should get some scissors because I'm cutting everything with my hands. Okay, so what we did right now is the sides. What we're going to do now is, you see here, this one has the end of this material just like hanging out. We don't want that because it's just ugly. Also, it's not very useful. So we are going to fold this one in too. The way we are going to do it is we are going to put in 3 of these folds, I think. It would probably be easier if I ironed before and like with the folds, so they would stay there. But we are not doing that because I hate ironing, so I'm just gonna suffer instead. That sounds way better. Because I'm just trying to figure out how and where to put these little folds, because this just doesn't seem right. We'll see. You can't see anything! So I just kind of did something here. I don't know what I did. It's not gonna be good. It's the first one. We'll see what happens. I should probably use some pins to keep this here, but I'm not going to. We did this side. It's not gonna show because we're going to fold it one more time and put the little rubber thing in there. So in where my finger is right now. So I just have to do the other side too. It looks pretty crooked, but like, it's fine. Okay, so I will do the exact same thing. Also, these masks are going to be washed and sterilized before anyone else touches or uses them. So it's very important. They have to be washed every day anyways. In theory, you can only use one for like 2 hours or something, and then you should change to a new one. So great. I'm gonna try to find some scissors because it's terrible like this. Yay! I have some scissors. Oh, they don't cut. So good. I have two kind. One is this black and the other one is a white. It's a bit wider. I'm just going to do one with this black. I have no idea how long it should be, so I'm just gonna cut whatever, probably. This is the first one, so I'm going to put it here and then fold this onto it, so this can still slide in and out. I don't know what I'm doing exactly, I'm just trying my best. I accidentally took it out. So, okay, what you should be doing is get a safety pin. I think that's what it's called. I found a safety pin! I am so happy. Okay, so here you take the safety pin. I'm just gonna jam it in. And this, you can actually feel this through like a little worm. This hole is pretty small, meaning it's really hard to get anything through it. That's what she said. I'm a child. I'm going to tie the end of this thing. Let's actually try this thing on. I'm gonna take my headphones off, so you might not hear me, but that's fine. So here is how this thing looks. Yeah, I know this is way bigger than this because we got it weird. Okay, it's actually pretty cool. Don't forget to share the results with me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. What else should I say? Oh yeah, ring the bell icon. Because, I don't know, then you'll be notified when I upload. I don't know, I'm new to this. Someone help me please. What do I say? Also, my next video is probably going to be about me dyeing my hair. So, that's why I have a hat on. Stay tuned! Bye! Cut. Let's start. I'm a YouTuber, a beauty guru, with my nails. It's so good. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Bye!